Well, Kshitij, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine too, Kshitij. Kshitij, this was your third attempt, I suppose,
Yes, sir.
for the OTA.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Third attempt.
Third attempt. So what happened in the previous two attempts?
Sir, my first attempt was the National Defense Academy one for the 138th course. I got recommended in that, but I'm medically fit also. But unfortunately, I got merit out in that because of less marks in the written examinations. And the second attempt was after 3 years for the 112th course of OTA. I got conference out in that. And my third attempt was this one for the 113th course. And finally, I got recommended that, sir, and medically fit.
Great, great. But tell me, Kshitij, why OTA? Why not IMA?
Sir, actually, the basic reason was that the written examination was quite easy if you compare to the IMA. Secondly, sir, I've talked to various officers who are from the OTA, and they've made sure that in the actual service there is no distinction. And if my work is good, my definitely the commission will be getting into a permanent one. So that's why I thought that it would be a better option to not to just float on two ships or the two boats, just make a focus and enter into the workforce, sir.
So you chose the easier path.
Yes, sir. I think that the service in which I'm going to involve, I have to make the things simpler for my team and for myself.
Okay. I remember, Kshitij, you are my 21 hours video student.
Yes, sir.
So first time you must have gone through the entire video. You must have prepared. You must have sat through my doubt clearing sessions on the Skype or the Google
Yes, sir.
Meet, which we
Yes.
do. So what went wrong in your attempt after that?
So the first attempt which I gave after watching your videos was the OTA 12th attempt, 12th course in which I got conference out. It was because, sir, basically as I discussed with you later also, in the GTO, sir, I broke the rules. I was leading the entire group. I helped the group for completing all four tasks of the PGT, half group tasks, individual obstacles, and all of those, sir. I was the core soul of the group in that. My group involved me quite good because there were seven who were there in my group, and out of seven, at least four to five called me in the command task. So definitely my group cohesion was very good. But sir, I broke the rules, which was not at all acceptable. As you told that it was a threat to the factor to the sense of responsibility which I was showing there. In this interviewing officer, sir, as I further talked to Commander Chakrapani, my answers, the way of answers which I gave were extremely straightforward, and the interviewing officers would have found a different thing out of me in comparison to what actually I am. So definitely, it was a not a good thing. And in the psychological tests, also my practice was quite less because of which the TAT was quite hampered. And as the TATs were hampered, so I don't think the WATSRT or anything else matters. So this was the reason because of which I lagged behind previous times.
Okay, for the benefit of all the viewers of this video, I must clarify a few things. I always say, when it comes to the psychological test, the biggest Waterloo is the TAT, and people find very difficult to write stories in the TAT images. And the major reason behind is lack of exposure and experience in life, which is the way of life today for the youngsters. The academic pressure, the competition is so high that they most of the time they focus in studies and they don't expose themselves to other aspects of life. But that being said, the best way I found to broaden one's imagination is, one should try and write five different stories on every image after understanding the principles taught by us, either in the video or in AFPA. Because it is not that it's not that we don't have any exposure or experience. It is just that those exposures and experiences were not very important to us in life. So because our whole focus is on studies, so those get retained in the memory somewhere, very vaguely. So when you sit and think, you take your time. They should take your time, their time, and try and conceive five different themes. See, everything comes out of the memory only in the end of the day. Memory is not abstract; it is real. But what happens is all those vague, small experiences become, it comes out and becomes fresh in the memory. And when somebody does like this, there are, all those experiences that he may have had as a child or very remotely, very small experiences, even they get glorified, they get, recalled in the memory, and that becomes that much more easier to attempt that in the SSB. That is one. And W18 SRT is a matter of speed, and a little bit of practice there should help. Now, coming to the GTO task, a lot of people have this apprehension that अरे वीडियो में GTO कैसे सीख सकता है? What was your experience, by the way?
So I don't think sir ये correct है because sir I was having a college in which there was not much exposure because my NTA merit out being it was quite last time and there was no good college left. So I just took up nominal admission in a college and there was no sports facility, nothing was available there. Sir. But then also sir, I took your CD and it was quite good because in a CD I got the main sole perspective what is actually the GTO. So if we are able to understand, then definitely the GTO also knows कि the बच्चे graduation करके आए हैं तो मतलब पढ़ाई पर उनका ध्यान ज्यादा रहा है, but they know the basic things which was told in your CD. So that's why I don't found much a problem in that, sir. Sir, I got the main concept कि हम लोग को कैसे PGT में क्या करना है, how to control the group, how to specifically not control, cooperate with the group in the various group tasks as there are 9 tasks out of which 5 to 6 are totally group tasks. Only 3 are individual tasks. So I don't think that without, but sir, but the certain thing is that if a person hasn't been in group since his childhood, so he will be facing problems, sir. CD can आपको enhance कर सकती है, sir, but it cannot just make a mixture and make you drink all of the stuff regarding the GTO, sir. But sir, it was a quite great aid to my preparation, sir, and I got the main concept how I have to perform in the GTO, how I have to work with the group, how where I have to be assertive, where I have to cooperate with the group, where I have to let others speak, where I have to come into forefront, and various other things I got to learn from your CD, and sir, definitely it helped me a lot in these in the group testing, sir, which was also appreciated by the GTO as well as the various group members.
Okay, so ideas are at
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. The second thing I want to clarify about GTO for the benefit of all the aspirants, that a lot of times I see the entire focus of the candidate is on giving ideas, like what you also did in the first attempt after the graduation. See, if you give ideas, fine, I'll clear your factor 1, right? Your EI, RA, OA, I'm clear. But if you go on breaking rules and without giving any concern to that, so I will penalize your sense of responsibility. So it is not that only ideas will work. Ultimately there are
quality.
And yeah, that's it. And there are 15 qualities that I'm seeing. I'm not only seeing your intellect. If you give ideas, good, intellect is fine. But then at the same time, if you break rules, and then obviously it is hitting you somewhere else, right?
Yes.
So that is one thing that all of you should guard. You must perform well, but not at the cost of the other qualities, right? If you dominate, you don't allow others to work. You want to dominate and show your quality or your ideas. Then obviously your social adaptability will be an issue, and a sense of responsibility will be an issue. Your cooperation will be an issue, and these are all very important innate qualities, and they can really cause blunder for you. So I remember you had called me and we had a long discussion, and I said that is what you should have avoided.
Yes.
क्या हो जाता है, एक आधी आइडिया कम दे देते आप, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता उससे. But ये सारी चीजें भी तो बहुत important है. So I'm very happy that after that you must have been conscious about this, and in the next attempt you must have done well, and obviously the results are there in front of you and in front of the world.
Yes, sir.
So what are your plans now?
Sir, अभी तो फिर आप enjoy कर रहे हैं पूरी तरीके से, because I won't be getting this amount of leisure amount of time anywhere anytime else in this whole time space, entire job and entire life which I'll be having. So I'm totally enjoying. So side by side, at present I am in BHU pursuing my masters in conflict management and development. It is a special course, sir, because I took it because the job, the walk of life which should be involving myself will be involving a lot of conflict. So like if I simply tell the course which I am studying, the applicability, like what Indian Chinese army are doing at the Pangong, so what various countries are doing with each other for the maintenance of peace. So it is just an alternative to the conflicting situation. How to create a win-win situation so that none of them feels that he has lost. तो अभी तो सर साइड बाय साइड वही कर रहा हूँ. बाकी मूवीज, फुटबॉल, यही सब चल रहा है सर. अभी तो एंजॉयमेंट ही चल रहा है.
Yeah, why not? You deserve it, and as you said, once you go to the academy, you're going to have a tough time. OTA Chennai,
Yes,
and
sir.
thereafter, army life is not going to be so easy. So
Yes, sir.
fine. I mean, but then I always say that one should learn to enjoy anywhere and everything that he does. So
Yes,
ठीक है,
sir.
कोई बात नहीं. तो enjoy करो, and at the same time keep yourself physically fit,
Yes, sir.
because physical requirements are going to be tough in the OTA.
Yes, sir.
So keep yourself fit, go for a run, do some push-ups, crunches, sit-ups, so that will hold you in good stead, and develop some good reading habits.
Yes, sir. That I
That's
discussed with you also.
important. Yeah.
So that I discussed with you the concentration problem.
Okay. No, but then you can work on it.
Yes, sir.
You can do some meditation,
Yes,
and
sir.
all this. See, mental focus is very important for anything that we do in life, and you must keep some time for yourself. Sit alone, meditate. That will bring your mental focus. And reading habit books are the best friends, like it said. So you must pick up some very good, interesting books and read. There's nothing more pleasurable than that, right?
Yes, sir.
So parents are very happy.
Definitely, sir. Very happy, sir. I'm the first officer in my family, at least first uniformed personnel, sir. There is no even chowkidar in my family. So there is no uniform from the kilometers that koi family mein uniform is. I am the first officer in my family.
Great. And you come from UP, I believe.
Yes, sir. Ayodhya.
Ayodhya. Great. Wonderful. Wonderful.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Kshitij, it was wonderful talking to you. And
Thank you, sir.
and from our side, from entire AFPA team, you also took interview with Commander Chakrapani, like you said.
Yes, sir.
Did you also go for a psych test or something? No.
Yes, sir. Psych test also, sir, from Ashok, sir.
Ashok sir. So
Yes, sir.
it's been a great contribution from all of us, and we at AFPA wish you all the very best.
Thank you,
And
sir.
do well and remain motivated. Serve the nation with pride. There is nothing more, there is nothing more, that no bigger charm than the uniform that we wear in the services. So
Definitely.
live up to that uniform always with your head high, and we
Thank you,
shall
sir.
always feel proud of Kshitij Srivastava.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Kshitij, God bless you. Good night and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.